If you could just take 1 minute and hit that like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to know more of the benefits of paintless dent repair. Hi, my name is Tom Eister, the owner of Angelo Dent Removal. Today I'm going to be working on this classic truck, the C10 Chevy Silverado. It's got a large dent here in the door. I'll be repairing this using the paintless dent repair process. We all know, having a classic car, that we don't want to be putting any body work, any kind of fillers, or doing any kind of repaint on any kind of classic. So it's very important to keep your original factory finish. So we're going to go ahead and fix this dent using the paintless dent repair process. Let's go ahead and get started. Now I'll be using a variety of tools here, and the first tool I'm going to start with is a bloom tool. It's a door tool. It's got an adjustable handle. This is going to be the very first tool I start with in order to start the repairs on this dent. Okay, so we're getting very close to having this dent completely done. Of course, there's a few little scratches here. I might try to use some rubbing compound, and maybe I can buff some of this out. But you can still see a little bit of push marks here, and there's a low shadow still left in there that still needs to be pushed up, right in here. Another flawless repair, like it was never there. So today this repair came out wonderful on this 1984 classic pickup truck. Therefore, there was no repainting of this panel. He kept the original factory finish, which that is definitely something he was very interested in. If you'd like to know if your car is a candidate for paintless dent repair, give me a call at 325-703-6149, or stop by and see me at 2315 Sherwood Way, San Angelo, Texas. My name's Tom Eister, and thanks for watching.